Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the DJI OM4 smartphone stabilizer. And I picked this stabilizer up from Best Buy for $150. And I can't wait to try it. Let's get into it. So, what's in the box? What's in the box is the DJI OM4. It has the magnetic phone clamp, storage pouch, power cable, the grip tripod. It has a magnetic ring holder, a wrist strap, and that old trusty manual. So yeah, let's tear into this bad boy and see what it look like. Okay. Using my fingernail clippers to get it open. Oh yeah. Trying to open it with one hand. There we go. Boy, I didn't think I was going to ever get into it. It's wrapped pretty good. Okay, when you open it, you have create the magnetic moments. So yeah, when you open the box here, you get the little tripod. And this is the phone riser pad for small phones. And this is your actual magnetic that hooks onto your smartphone. Yeah, this is your magnetic that goes on the back of your smartphone. And it says the future of possible OSMO. So yeah, this is your charging cable to charge the gimbal. And this is your actual gimbal. This is your actual gimbal. Yeah, it looks to be around the same size as the previous model, the OM3. Same, look like it's built the same pretty much. It's about to seem like the same weight. The only thing I can see is different between the OM3 and the OM4 is this magnetic mount. The other one didn't mount the same as this one. So so far this all I see is, different. So yeah, it's a pretty good weight. And so yeah, you just take it and unfold it. And there it goes. So yeah, what's good about this is it comes with this tripod here. And you put the tripod under here. Like so. And not only that, you can use it to hold this for an extra grip, but you can also pull it out and set it down like that. And that will be for your you could use it to get good pano shots. So if you got it sitting down, you can pan. If you're in front of your smartphone, if you had it sitting on your desk, it'll pan the view. So that's pretty cool. I like it like that. So yeah, let's see what's in this little package here. Okay. They have a nice little carrying bag. If you're going out of town or going to your favorite spot to do videos, you don't have to carry it in a book bag or anything. You can put it in your little bag here and take it with you. Pretty neat. I like the way it feels. It has like a suede feel to it, not nothing like those little cheap bags. It looked like they really put a little bit into it. So I like this bag. And it comes with a wrist strap. If you're doing it and holding it with the tripod or anything in your hand, if you accidentally get bumped or you won't drop it. So this is a good little safety strap to have. It'll save you another $150. Because without this, you probably would drop it. I know I would. I'm kind of clumsy, so I know I'll definitely be using this. So this is a little template. And what you do with this, you put this on the back of your smartphone to kind of alignment guide. You lay this on your smartphone, and you take this guy, which is the magnetic. This is the magnetic holder, was easy quick release from your phone and your OM4, excuse me. And you line it up on the back of your smartphone here, just like this. So yeah, that's pretty good, pretty handy little template. So yeah, that was good of them to add that feature. So definitely will come in handy. So yeah, these are the cleaning pads. Yep, clean your back of your phone and so you can get it to stick good. This is your cleaning pads. And these are the instruction guys. This is what everybody been waiting on. No, I'm just kidding. This is probably the least thing everybody will look at. The instructions. And they have one and look like another language. And this is the quick start guide for English. So, okay, this is your smartphone clamp. So you take this and you open it up and you put your smartphone in there. If you got an iPhone, Android, or anything, you take it and this sets inside of your on the outside of your smartphone. And after you get it onto your smartphone, you take it and put it on to your OS. I'm sorry, I keep saying OS. OM4, I'm sorry. And this is the quick disconnect. So yeah, the magnet feels pretty strong. It'll hold your phone pretty safely, but I wouldn't get too comfortable with this magnetic thing with your $1,000 phone. So I will still be kind of cautious with it. But it is a magnet to hold on to your smartphone, onto your gimbal, while you take those smooth, crisp shots, videos. Hard to get photos and video. Okay, what you're looking at now is the controls of the OM4. And this button here is your joystick. And this turns your gimbal around either way. And of course, this is your picture button here. You take pictures with. And this is your power button. Yeah, this is your power button. And also your battery indicator. Let you know about your battery when it's time to recharge. And this is your toggle. When it's hooked up, paired to your smartphone, this is your slider, zoom slider, where you zoom in and out with videos and pictures and such. So yeah, as you turn this bad boy around, boy, I can't wait to get started with this. I'm excited. So yeah, this is your trigger. And what this do here is this is your ActiveTrack trigger. And it also starts and stops your video. So yeah, I think if you press it like 2 times it starts and stops your video, and you press it again, it ActiveTrack, it resets your gimbal. So multi button switch. Yeah, so on the side right here, port. So that's pretty cool. And it came with the charging cord, like I said. So you take this end and plug it into here. Just like that. One-handed, guys, so bear with me. So your charging port, and you got a USB-C port. So yeah, guys, I mean, I'm excited about it, and I'm excited on getting out and trying to get in some good shots. So if you're interested in it, Best Buy have them for $150. That's why I purchased mine at, and go and get you one and get out and have some fun, you know, take some pictures and enjoy yourself. But be safe during this pandemic. Take care of yourself. And if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can get updates on my videos as I post them. I'm a growing channel, guys, so bear with me. And I'm trying to get better. And just please stay and grow with me. And thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.